Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be a Amazon flashlight video to teach you all how to be prepared for all emergencies. Today we're going to talk about some flashlights and prices that you see on the table. Okay, you're going to see these small ones and these large ones here? They come in a pack of 5. For $21.99, and the large ones come for $23.93. Now, these other ones here come for $16.99, and these are all Amazon bought. They're 4 for $27.99. This one here, the one in the middle that you see that is green, that I'm focusing in on, is $24.99 for the one. And this little flashlight here is $10.49 for the one. So all of these flashlights are decent flashlights for the economical thing of flashlight buying. You want more flashlights? You get the 5 packs. You will always have enough flashlights or the 4 packs because you will get more for your money when you get the 4 packs of flashlights. 4 and 5 packs of flashlights. This is Explorer Channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Explorer Channel out. Love you all. Amen.